Exercise 36. Based on the system of equations, which of the following is a possible value of xy? Okay, we have a system of equations. We have said that again and again that the easiest way for us to act is through Desmos. So let me bring Desmos. Here it is. I need to find the solutions of a system. So I'm gonna plug in the two equations involved. One is x squared minus 6x plus 5, and the other is 2x minus 4 minus 7. Solution to a system is the set of common points of intersection. These two intersect at 2, negative 3 and at 6, 5. So this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. We are looking for the product of xy. It could be 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6, nowhere to be seen, or 6 times 5, which is 30, and that makes B the right answer for this specific question.